Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Iced Hot Chocolate. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes into this mug from this mini Mel bowl. Then after that, you open up the hot chocolate mix container and you put in 1 and 2 teaspoons of the hot chocolate mix. And last but not least, you add in the hot water. And then after that, you stir it up. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced hot chocolate. Enjoy it, folks. Thank you for watching. Peace and cheers, and have a good summer. Thank you.